Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so well. I just want to start this video by saying thank you so much for all of your lovely comments on all of my recent videos. You seem to be really enjoying them, and I think that you can tell that I am enjoying filming here so much more than I've enjoyed filming ever. I'm really enjoying filming at the flat and having, you know, my own space and my own vibe. Now that I'm in my own setting and everything kind of looks more me, everything feels much more me. Today I am going to be talking about hair removal, which is a topic quite close to my heart because it is something that I've been really self-conscious about basically my entire teenage and adult life. I am a very hairy person. I have always had an extremely hairy face. If I was a man, my hair growth pattern is a handlebar moustache. So my hair grows really thick here and on my moustache area, and also under my chin here. I get quite a lot of thick, dark hair. I have got naturally very thick, dark hair, and even though it's given me lovely lashes, it's also given me extreme facial hair, which I won't lie is not something that I like, because I put makeup on my face for a living and I film very HD videos of myself, and if I forget to shave my face, I look at them in videos and I get really self-conscious. So last year, you will remember that I filmed a video where I shaved my entire face using this is like a mini cutthroat razor. I have used it ever since. I actually shave my face basically every week, and I have done for a while now, but I have been looking into a more permanent solution. I have looked into getting IPL done professionally, getting, you know, laser hair removal on my face. It's really expensive and you have to keep going to the sessions. I don't know, I've just never really got round to doing it. Then I heard about this product, which is the Philips Lumia Prestige at-home IPL system. I'd heard about it before and I was umming and ahhing about whether I wanted to try it, and then Philips actually contacted me and asked me if I wanted to work with them on trying it and sharing it with you guys. I'm so excited to be working with them on this video today because I am so excited to be using this product. I'm going to talk to you about their at-home IPL system as well as a couple of their other products. Now, I did ask the other day on Instagram whether you guys would like to see a video about how to prevent your foundation separating, breaking up on your face, getting weird on your nose, and honestly, this is the first stage. I think that the most important thing out of everything when it comes to an even foundation application is making sure your skin is prepped. Now that means really well exfoliated, and that also means removing the top layer of hair. If you aren't someone who is self-conscious about your facial hair, then don't worry. But I have found there is a massive difference in the way my foundation applies now that my face is smooth and I'm removing the hair, because it doesn't have any texture to go on top of. It's gliding over something completely flat. Even though hairs are minute, it is still creating texture on your skin, and hairs move, they lift, and it can create movement in your foundation. And if you don't exfoliate your nose, for example, which is the issue that I used to have, my nose always had blocked pores and dry skin, like thin layers of dry skin, which would lift and move and separate my foundation, and I didn't know why, and it was because I wasn't exfoliating properly. So some of the products today are so helpful if you are struggling with that problem in particular. Let's get into it. So once you've cleansed and exfoliated your face, dried it, then go in, dry shave your face. That's when you can get onto the big boys. So I'm just gonna read you a little bit of information about IPL, how it works. I'm not a professional, so I'm going to read it so that I don't get anything wrong. I wanna give you accurate information, okay? With intense pulse light technology, gentle pulses of light are applied to the skin and absorbed by the hair root. The lighter the skin and the darker the hair, the better the pulses of light are absorbed. The pulses of light stimulate the hair follicle to go into resting phase. As a consequence, the hair sheds naturally and the hair's regrowth is prevented. Now, the cycle of hair growth consists of different phases. IPL technology is only effective when the hair is in its growing phase, so not all hairs are at the growing phase at the same time. This is why we recommend that you follow the initial treatment phase, 4 to 5 treatments every 2 weeks apart, and then do follow-up treatments or touch-ups every 4 to 8 weeks. To make sure that the hairs are efficiently treated in the growing phase. So for the first 5 sessions, every other week, great, that is no time out of your day, and then once every 2 months. That is not a lot of a time commitment for long-term effect. So this comes with 3 different attachments. It's safe to use on your face, obviously. Now there is a face attachment specifically. You've got a lovely little lady on there. You just pop it on, it's super simple. It's on. They also have one specifically for your bikini line, one for your underarms, and then the standard head for your like legs and arms. So make sure you're using the right attachments for the part of your body that you are using. Also, please make sure that you do a tester. Here are all of the different levels of intensity. You can test which level of intensity is right for you by turning it on. When you turn it on, you'll hear the fan. Like that. And then you press this button here, which is a little magnifying glass. You put it wherever you're going to be doing the hair removing, and it will tell you what level to do. So you can see it's changing. So you go like this. You don't have to press anything, and it's telling me that level 4 is the level that I should be using. I would also recommend doing a little test patch, just checking, making sure you don't react in any way. I'm going to show you how I do it. Here it says ready. When it's pushed up against skin, this lights up. And when it takes away, it doesn't. It will only work when there is skin there. So I'm now gonna show you how I do it. So I work in sections. I start from my jawline, work up, move across, work up, move across, work up. I don't do any on my forehead because my forehead doesn't get particularly hairy. Just hold it, press. You'll then see a red flash. Don't look directly at it, but you'll see it. You'll move it to the next place, do it again, move it to the next place, do it again. It doesn't hurt, it feels hot. I tend to do it on a level 3 or 4, depends where on my face. I find certain areas on my face are a little bit more sensitive. I've used this twice now, and I have noticed thinning in the hair. It's definitely already making a difference for me, which is so exciting after only 2 uses. I will keep you guys posted. I'll update you like over on my Insta stories and stuff like that, so make sure you follow me over there. If you've got dark hair, perfect. The lighter your hair gets, the harder and trickier it is. So if you want to try at home IPL, I will link the Philips Lumiere Prestige down below. I'm really excited that they wanted to work with me because I've been looking for the cure for a very long time. I'm super excited to keep you posted, and I'm so excited to see how this works for me in the long term. My #1 top tip for foundation application has to be exfoliate and removing your facial hair. Once I've removed all my hair, I will then go in with a gentle moisturizer. I've been using the Freck Rich Bitch, which is so lovely. It's a super rich moisturizing cream. And the packaging is so up my street. I mean, look at that. That is so good. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask me down below. I will answer them as well as I can. Again, I'm not a professional. I am literally trying this as a consumer, testing it out and sharing with you my experience. It's something that I've wanted to try for a long time, so I'm really excited that I'm able to work with the brand to try it. And I feel like it's a great way for me to kickstart 2019. It's doing something I've wanted to do for a long time, which is getting rid of my facial hair. Exfoliation is key. I use both physical exfoliants and also chemical exfoliants. Both have their own place. So this is the Philips VisiPure Advanced at-home facial system. So as you can see, it's got a rotating brush. That is the movement. You can speed it up, it's got 2 settings. This brush itself is really gentle, but the circular movement will exfoliate the top layer of dead skin cells off of your skin. It will help to clear blocked pores. It says here, deep, gentle cleansing brush gives you better cleansing to reveal clean, soft skin, and it also increases the absorption of your skincare products. That is something also that I find extremely helpful, is I don't have to use as much cleanser. The cleanser that I've been using for a while now is the Peter Thomas Roth 3% Glycolic Solution Cleanser. This stuff is so good. This helps with pores, smoothness, radiance, fine line and wrinkles, and an uneven skin tone. So I pop some of this onto the brush head. I will use this all over my skin. So I'm turning my cleanser into an exfoliator whilst also helping to penetrate the skin with the glycolic acid further, which is so good for your pores. Pores are definitely something that I find is my biggest insecurity on my face, other than my hair. Hairy and porous is my face. It's nice. Your face feels hyper clean when you use this. But wait, there's more. Once I've cleaned my face, I just take off the head like that and I pop him back in this little docking station. So these are the other attachment heads. We've got the head for a massage and also for under your eyes. So you just pop it on and this is the motion. So this gives you a deep level massage to increase blood circulation and relax the muscles. This gives radiant, revitalized skin and is like 750 fingertips massaging your skin per minute. I'll either use this just after cleansing or sometimes I will use it with my oil. My favorite at the moment is the Sunday Riley UFO Ultra Clarifying Facial Oil with 1.5% salicylic acid. So I just pop some of this onto my face, kind of smooth it over, and then I will use this to work it into my skin. Again, I find that this helps to push it into my skin and it also just feels nice and is relaxing, and why would you not want to give yourself a facial massage on a Sunday night? And then finally, the Fresh Eyes head. A gentle boost of freshness for tired eyes in the morning. 112 nano vibrations per second gently massage the eye area while respecting the thin, delicate skin around the eyes. So if I've got a little bit of extra time in the mornings, I'll actually use this with my eye cream. At the moment, I'm using the Freck So Jelly eye cream. I'm really enjoying Freck skincare right now. Again, I will tap some under my eyes and then I will use this just to help depuff and brighten. You can put this head in the fridge if you want to make it nice and cold. I find that my concealer applies much better when my under eyes are really hydrated. So yeah, another little helpful tip for a smooth makeup application. Make sure you properly hydrate under your eyes, and this is a great way to help do that. I filmed this clip and the sound is silent, so I don't know what happened there. This is the anti-pollution brush, which has bamboo charcoal in the middle. It can remove up to 100% of pollution off of your face, which is great if you live in the big smoke. If you go home from work, blow your nose and it is black. Think about what's going in your skin and in your pores. So if that's something you're concerned about, this could be a great option for you. I actually love this so much and it's super easy to charge. I just keep it in my bathroom. I actually love it so much that I've got this one, which is the little baby one. It is the mini facial cleansing brush. So this is great for traveling. It's baby pink. It's adorable. It doesn't accept the other attachments, but to be honest, I'm just gonna take this to Tim's house and leave it there so that I have one at his, and I'm not going to be massaging my face. He can do that for me. If you just are interested in the brush head, then you could just purchase this one. But I really enjoy using all of the various heads. That is everything. I really hope that you guys found this interesting. If you are interested in trying this yourself, I will have linked everything down below. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this before. I would really like to know your experiences with it. Start a little dialogue in the comments. Have you ever had professional IPL? And how do you remove your facial hair if you do? Do you feel self-conscious about facial hair? Do you shave your face? Do you wax your face? So let me know down below. I would really love to hear your feedback and your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.